All right, people, we're here with the famous Jamaican. I mean, about famous where football is concerned, Jacky Walters. And I know a lot of persons, enough younger generation don't really know Jacky Walters and what he has done for Jamaican football. And we just want to take a minute to talk about him today. I just have introduce the world team or the Jamaican populous team. Mr. Walters, first of all, how are you?
I'm quite good, quite good.
Quite good. So you're here for the Dakar Cup semi-finals, Glenmuir versus Dintil.
Yes.
I know you're a famous person, you're Schoolboy. Glenmuir, so you're here
Yeah.
supporting Glenmuir.
Definitely.
So you think Glenmuir can go all the way this year?
Well, I think they have an excellent chance. I think they have two of the best players in the competition.
Which
The left winger. I think he's 19.
The 19.
And number
Yeah.
10.
I think it's Cunningham.
Right.
Yeah.
And number 10.
Kyle
I
Gard.
think
Kyle
they're two
Gard.
of the best players in the football competition now.
Yeah. All right. So let's talk about you. Your journey. Let's give us a little insight on your journey and some of the titles that you have hold on to so far.
Well, I started out at the minor league level. I won a couple of competitions with minor league and under 14 in Kasafa with both Cavalier, Real Mona. Then I went to Portmore and won some under 15 competition there also. I started coaching Manning Cup in 1978 at Camperdown. I won 78, 79 and 82.
So you started in 78?
Yes.
And you won it in 78?
78, 79 and 82, yes.
So you won the same year that you started?
Right, that's correct.
Yeah.
Then I went on to Clarendon College and I won 94, 96 and 98. Went to Glenmuir, won 04, I think 04, 06 and 12 and 2012. Went back to Clarendon College and won 2014. You know, that's and not only I've won triple champions at three schools. All three schools have been triple champion. Yeah.
Oh, so you're a winner. Anywhere you go, winning follows.
Yes. That's correct.
All right. So overall, what's your assessment of talents in Jamaica?
I think there's tremendous talent in Jamaica, but I think we are not giving them the opportunity to develop. You know, I think the federation has missed the boat. They're not providing the kind of atmosphere for young players to develop. Schoolboy football plays a role, but its mantra is not about development. You know,
It's about win at all costs.
not win about, but just participation for youngsters.
Okay.
You know, so we have to understand that to develop football properly, you have to take it at a young age, critically young age. When youngsters enter high school at 11, 12, they have nothing to do because they have to compete against a 14-year-old to play under 14. So therefore, therein lies one of our problems. A lot of academies and clubs are providing that gap.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah, right now. But you know, I think schools need to play a greater role in development. Why can we develop world-class athletes, running athletes in high school? And can't do. And I'm not talking about teams there now, I'm talking about individual development.
Yeah.
That's critical for.
So even if you don't have a good team, you must can produce at least some 1 and 2 individuals who are brilliant, world class at that level.
Top class athletes. Although some of the better schools will take them away. But you have to try to develop individuals.
So you do a lot of ground root football from the root. What's your method in identifying talents at that lower level, which have brought you so much success?
Well, talent is something that, you know, once you see a youngster pick up a ball and play, you can recognize his potential as a player, his natural affinity to the ball, you know, and you start from there. But that is not enough. Talent will make you can be identified a youngster with talent, but it's not necessarily talent going to keep him there. He has to develop confidence in himself.
The hunger too.
He has to have resilience. No matter what the situation is on the field, he must always stand out and give his best.
So as a coach, what would you say makes you stand out differently from other coaches would have made you won those titles? Is it just a talent you have in your squad, or your coaching methods? What do you think that made you stand out?
I think it's a combination of the two of them. I've been able to identify young, talented players, you know, and I've done a lot of research in terms of football. I've attended quite a number of seminars all over the world. to get an understanding of what takes place in terms of development. So I think that have assisted me. Winston Chung, George Thompson, Leighton Duncan has played a very important role in my development as a coach. And you can't want better than that.
All right, Mr. Walters, really, really happy talking to you here. So
Thank you.
thank you very much for the hard work that you have done for the country. All right. Big up yourself, people. So thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed that short interview. Mr. Walters, we have to honor the greats in the country. A lot of persons just might see him and say, oh, who is that? But we have to honor the greats. So bless up yourself, people. Big up. That's done now. See there? Big match. Or if you start here now, look in, look out. You see a pitch look pretty. Yeah, that what I talk about. Big up yourself, people.